I've been busy.
Yeah?
By the
Oh,
way,
uh,
hold on. By the way, hello audience. Welcome back to Sons of the Forest.
oh
I had
yeah, that's right. We're recording.
You are going to love what I did to the place, making a second outpost and also shedding some light on the situation.
Oh God.
And by the way, the wall is perfect, and I essentially made what I like to call a minefield. You'll see what I mean in a moment, especially when I decided to do this thing called gold encrusting all my shit. Are you ready to see the minefield? Come up here.
Hold on. I was gonna go over here. Yeah.
Look over there where Virginia is. And
Is it?
it looks stupid and ugly, but it works. I'm not kidding. And now, because you can't see the actual front of the wall, come follow me. No, 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 no. Follow
Oh,
me. Hold on. It gets
I can
better.
see the front of the wall.
It gets better. Follow me.
Oh my God.
Look any direction. And I'm going to show you how far it goes.
Oh my fucking God.
It goes
It's a
all the way to here
spacesuit.
because I know it's weird, but trust me, without the snow, it'll look better. But yeah,
Oh my God, that's
and it's
fucking
because
great.
they never go over there, so there's no point. But they all come over here around this general area. So to show you how cool, how effective this,
Oh,
I also moved the sulfite converter thing over here when you get the chance. But yeah, encrust one of your weapons, like the katana or something, and then we're going to step outside. I'm going to tell you where to stand, and you're going to see how effective my shit is. Oh, I'm not wearing armor. Shit, I just realized.
oh, okay, it killed one of them.
And
Three
now,
shotguns
and
coming at
now,
it.
while the next wave is coming, you can quickly reset these. And see how like they're trying to run away because they're taking damage. They keep end up. They keep hitting the traps.
Walking into another one.
Yeah, like I said, I made a minefield.
I have 20 slugs and 21 buckshot. Can you
Oh,
pray to John Moses
yeah,
Browning
I'm
for
going.
me?
I will pray to John Moses Browning for you. All right, over here.
We meant to do that during the
Yeah.
spring, but I was
Oh,
tired.
mighty John Moses Browning, with the power of the calcium Christ, I pray to thee to bless my friend with 12 gauge buckshot, specifically 150 shells. Those are rocks. Clearly, I prayed incorrectly. I
Spiders.
I killed the thing. I apologize, Lord Browning. I prayed to the wrong god on accident. I had the wrong litany, but now I have the new one. Please, John Moses Browning, bless my friend with 150 slug shells. Thank
There
you,
you go.
John
That's
Moses
that's the
Browning.
proper prayer.
And
You
then,
see, you
John Moses Browning, I ask for one more gift to bless my friend with 150 buckshot shells. Thank you, John Moses Browning.
you see the first person that you actually prayed to was the god AC/DC. ACDC,
I,
rock.
oh, okay, rock and roll. This is like, is this like the name of a song that they have? Because I'm like, well, it ain't Back in Black or Thunderstruck.
No,
However,
no,
our
it's just
golden.
AC/DC.
Gotcha. I guess there ain't no rifle here. There is an abandoned camp here, though. Well, abandoned village.
What kind of camp?
It's a looks like an old cannibal
Fishing
camp.
village?
No, it's a cannibal camp.
Oh.
Oh, this guy.
Is it not abandoned?
There was a guy that somehow. Okay, so okay, so there was a guy. He was perched. You should have seen it. You'll see in the recording. But a guy was perched on this rock right here, like this, and I didn't see him the entire time until he stood up and jumped, and then I fired, and he landed over here somewhere. There he is. Here's his body. Oh, we are gonna either have to swim or build a raft.
With what trees?
The tree's over there. Hold on. I have a stupid idea. Watch this not work. Huh? Oh my god, it worked! I am dumbfounded. I'm a genius. This should not have worked. Now you try.
I am.
I see you coming in. It took a while for me to realize that was you moving in. That should not have worked. What happens if I do this? Fuck. I tried shooting your glider to see if it would knock you down. It didn't.
Oh, that's stupid. I love it.
That's hilarious. Okay, we need to get on top of this cliff. I think there's something to be up there. That looks... You look like you just belly flopped into the snow. Interesting that the ice melts entirely. Or the ice... It's cool that the lake freezes over, is what I wanted to say. Entirely different to what I just said. Oh, Jesus Christ. Guy literally ran into me. Pardon me, sir. Excuse me while I fucking kill you. Okay, we got Muddies trailing us as well. You got a guy behind you. It's an assassin. I missed. Got her. Finished her off. Whee! I just hope I don't lose my glider on impact. No! Come back! No! Come back! Ah! Da, 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 da. Hello.
I found the rifle.
Hold on, I'm being attacked by like 13 things.
I'm stuck on it. It's literally hanging down right in front of us.
I'm not trying to look right now because there's enemies everywhere.
Okay, that's dead.
Where? Fucking... Oh.
Yeah, I kind of feel stupid.
Holy shit, why do these things feel tougher? Skin pouch, by the way.
It's here.
Where is it? Really? Right
Yeah.
fucking there?
Right fucking there.
How did we miss this?
I don't know.
Because we definitely had to come down this way.
I want to go home.
Yeah, that was stupid. Of course we're getting
No.
attacked the first night.
It's okay. Virginia's here with a shotgun and pistol.
And we're going to assist her. They're in the house. Get out of my fucking house. Or our fucking house. Oh, skin pouch. How are you alive? I shot you in the back twice with a shotgun. I almost walked on that trap, by the way.
You're welcome.
Where the fuck did he go? Oh, he's dead. He got stuck in the wall and died. He's getting dork. So I think the VIP bunker is basically where the golf course.
The golf club courses.
The golf course is where the VIP bunker is. I cannot, bro. You know, in the part 2 of the forest that I at the time of recording,
Where you kept
where I had the
signal.
the freaking like thinking symbol going over my head because I just couldn't finish a thought.
You just said literally cannot speak
Literally, like
or think.
it's like that's the second we enter that cave that we've already been in, where we found the map for the cave. I'm just like, oh, this is where I don't think this is where we literally 10 seconds later say another word or two, and then another 10 seconds later. It's like I could not finish a thought in that cave.
Meanwhile, I'm just vibing over attacking enemies out front.
Oh, that's when I went to
Hey,
go. That's when I
my
left to go
calcium
adjust.
brother.
That's when I left to go adjust my fan.
Yeah, and I'm just like, hey, my calcium brother, you want to come up here and help me?
Hello,
I'm
calcium
surrounded.
comrade. Help the fuck out. What's your ammo, by the way? Maybe I, just in case I need to do some prayer.
John Moses.
Pray to John Moses
haven't
Browning.
I have it set to buckshot now. 150 buckshot and 57 slug.
All right, so I'll do a little bit of prayer for you. John Moses Browning, I pray to thee. Please provide my brother ammunition of the buckshot variety. I pray to thee. Thank you, John Moses Browning.
But okay.
Oh, I thought, well, we're doing buckshot. I'll give you more slugs, too. John Moses Browning, I pray unto thee again. Give my brother in calcium slugs as well. Why are you wearing the ancient armor?
Because I don't have enough bone. If you want to...
John Moses, calcium Christ,
13.
I pray unto thee, provide us calcium armor. I almost put in the wrong number, the wrong prayer. Sorry, wrong litany. How many did you need? 13, you said?
13.
One last time, calcium lord. I too am in need of. I almost put in the wrong litany again. I need. Okay, hold on. I'm actually curious now. What happens if I put in the number that I'm putting in wrong? Let's say 10. Oh, rocks.
9 of them. 10 of them.
It's just so funny that I kept putting in the code for rocks and not bone armor.
It's weird that they're one number apart.
They're one number apart for 2 digits. Okay, so we got... This suddenly became Dead Space. Or Doom. Doom 3, to be specific. I'm really upset that the BFG edition for Doom 3 does not have co-op. Like, they got rid of cooperative play. Okay, we have a right path and a left path. Let's go right. Because there's an open door over here. There's a lot of blood in here.
Nothing at the end of the hall.
Okay, we got meds. We got a grenade. A foot. A dead guy. A note. Blow yourself up in the daughter's room. Blow yourself up right there, Ivan. Damn. Oh, clothes. A dress? What? I found a
I leave
dress.
to Virginia, Upton, if they shall survive me in their own absolutely my entirety of Jesus. Oh, that's 100,000 million 794 billion. Fucker was rich as fuck.
How much money?
754 billion with a B.
Damn, that's more money than Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos combined. Also, I found a dress, but Oh, you know what? It's an outfit for Virginia. That's why I can't equip it. Yeah, this is becoming like Dead Space 2. Unitology bullshit.
Cube.
Where?
Just
Oh,
pictures of cube.
oh. It's a golden block. If we collect 4 of them, we can make the Tower of Pimps. I thought that vase was a person. Oh, little video player. Estate agent. She's speaking Chinese.
一切都能让你在这里生活的同时保持健康，就像一个小城市。哦，有台球桌、游戏、大屏幕。这里我们有传统风格的浴缸，还有，不要，快走，快走！
Damn, that went from 0 to 100 real fast. Oh, yikes. This is where the guy blew himself up. Do we go in here? We do, and I'm not going there yet. Want to explore the rest of the... This is a big-ass bathtub. Jesus Christ. Lady Dimitrescu, are you here? Can we play
Where's
pool?
the Asian lady?
She's on... Want to play billiards? I'll be solid, you be stripes.
No, if we're gonna play billiards, we're gonna play it right. First to knock one in gets to be that designation.
Fair enough. Oh, hey, Timmy.
There's got to be a way to open this. A key.
Okay. Found another schematic.
I got a key card. Who's?
I just lost... Oh! We have to wear the gold armor to open this. But before I do that...
No, we're missing something.
I'm going to pick up my bone armor back after putting on my bone armor. To outside. Oh my god, grass, it does exist. Goodbye, friends.
I broke your television.
I broke your television. And Buzz Lightyear in the beginning of Toy Story 2. Bum 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 ba-da-dum bum 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 ba-da-dum ba. Bum 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 ba-da-dum bum 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 ba-da-da.
You were real low to the ground.
Now this is pod racing. What's the password?
Fuck you.
You may enter. There's mine. Whoops. And then... Whoop. My
Can't
armor.
carry any more ancient armor. What?
Alright. Alright, to the front. We probably should have saved first. Shotguns out. Actually, you know what? Yeah. Let's use my defenses the way they were intended to be used. So, slug rounds. So, slug rounds. Ah, my traps work beautifully.
Oh.
That fucking that minefield I made. Okay, we got tryptophobia. Hold fast, brother. Yeah, that's because of the device. Oh. Oh, is he not triggering? Okay, he is triggering. Oh,
he's just
nope, he's stuck in the animation of dying. Stop shooting him. Oh, the noises you make, I hate it. We got another tryptophobia.
Oh, got through.
Oh. Oh, reloading. How's the traps not... Oh, I guess he's too big. He's retreating. He walked into the minefield. What a dumbass. I'm risking it. Alright. Now for yours.
Okay, I'm back.
I am praying to John Moses Browning for you. That...
Oh. Okay. I'm gonna save. Alright, I saved. You good?
I'm crying. That was so fucking stupid. Go ahead, try and pick up the slug ammo. Oh my god. I have prayed to Doom Guy, apparently.
Shotguns!
Shit!
Shotguns,
Sluggy
slugs,
shells and chainsaws!
I heard you were fighting demons.
Oh my
I'm
god,
making
I'm
sure you're-
crying! I'm sorry, wrong litany again! Oh, the frame rate dropped a bit. Oh my god, please pick up the slug ammo, for the love of God, please. Oh my god. I was gonna try and... I was trying to... Jesus Christ, I was trying to spawn 100 buckshot ammo for you as well, not outside of just 100 slug ammo. Oh my... That is like one of the funniest oopsies I've done ever. Alright. Then I'll have to switch back to my bone armor and...
Something's happening.
No shit.
It's working.
No shit. And everything's made of gold here. Let me put my... Psst. Hold on. I need to reapply my calcium. Oh. Okay, dead demons. Apparently Timmy was going to town unless they were already dead when we got here.
Remember the Asian guy.
Huh?
Not like
The Asian guy could have gone through here.
That's also true.
Like
Like
Yan Yu or whatever. the fuck.
John
John
Yu.
Yu.
John Yu, yeah. He had like a very American name, and then his last name was like John Yu. Bro, why are you dead
John Yu.
sprinting through here? Just no safety precautions at all.
Dead sprinting through the
Oh,
dead.
okay, so... Oh,
Those fuckers got.
oh he was... Okay, he
He's
was
got
definitely the
that.
one shooting the demons. Lots of demons. Ow. Oh, demons down here. They snuck up on me. Switch back to buckshot. Hold on. There's a guy to your direct left. Now behind you. Oh. The cross. You cross him, I'll buck him. Okay.
That's actually very useful.
Okay. I'm going to eat and drink something again, because good lord. This looks like my asshole after I eat mac and cheese and soda. Also, I love the idea that this was just behind someone's bathroom wall.
Ooh.
What?
Praise be the golden Jesus.
Praise golden
Jesus.
god. I mean, it's not a calcium
Jesus wants
god.
the hug. Oh shit.
Did you think you
Fucker
fell off
ran
a
off.
cliff? Yeah, I know. He just
No.
dead sprints through the entire thing. Not a care in the world. Oh, more demons.
I got 2 in 1.
You got like 3 in 1. Because the more it... As long as you are pointing the... I think just from being near the cross, they just light on fire.
No, you have to use it.
I feel like a boss fight's about to show up.
They just keep coming.
Kill it.
You know what? Because of the setting in here, it probably was intentional that I spawned 100 chainsaws. Are we in hell? Like, are we actually going into hell?
I think so.
Because these demon enemies are everywhere down here.
I'll mark him. You buck him. Holy shit, that's a big.
Oh my god! Timmy! Timmy! Big demon!
The power of Christ compels you.
Oh my god, Timmy, your
The power of
hand.
Christ compels you. What?
Look at Timmy's hand.
Oh, I can't. I'm not in the cutscene.
Oh my god, he got... There's no cutscene, though.
Oh,
That was just an... Okay, motherfucker. Pin me down.
Timmy was just invisible. Oh, now
He's
the
on the
enemy's
scene.
invisible. Where'd he go?
He's on the ceiling. He's directly above us. But yeah, he like wombo combos. Okay. I gotta reload. I don't think a cross will work on him.
It does slightly. Remember, you can sprint backwards.
Yeah. He's stunned. I hope this doesn't become a common enemy in the main game.
I hope it does. This is fucking great.
Ow.
Ow.
You can't really avoid him when he does that fucking leap bullshit up top.
Out of ammo.
You're out of ammo. Oh, dead. Nice.
Nope, pistol.
Timmy.
Did he go in here?
He got backhanded in here. But I guess he pushed forward. A lot of dead cultists. Okay. There is a lot of shit.
Oh,
So I'm assuming
that's a lot
because
of
this is a lot of ammo. This is a concerning
boss
amount
fight.
of ammo.
and medicine. And
Grenades.
explosives.
Yep. So this game knew we'd probably use a lot of shit on that big demon, but now I'm wondering if this is actually the end of the game. So let me take lead. Oh, yep, this is the end of the game, I think. Alright, do you have a cutscene?
Yep. Complete the story with
your
all
friend-
friendly NPCs still alive.
It's time. No.
Oh, there's John Yu and Kelvin and Virginia ran in.
Yeah.
15, 14, 13, 12, 12.
Okay, what's happening?
I don't know, but I'm the main character.
We're both the main
And I
character.
had an out-of-body experience.
We are both having an out-of-body experience. What was that on the left? Are we in Star Wars? Is this 40K? Are we actually in 40K now? Good lord.
This
There's
is where those astronauts are from.
those spacesuit dudes.
Saw it in a dream.
Yeah.
This is an alien planet, for real. Are those souls flying by?
Probably.
Okay, do you see his arm mutating now?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, I got meat
Ooh,
slinky
and a,
around my
Sleeky.
ankles.
Meat Sleeky. Okay. more
Is
out-of-body
this
experience.
cube like so? This cube is definitely going off, right? Doing that thing that caused all those people to become faceless, and I think being
Yes.
inside of it. Holy shit, John Yu!
It's me. It's making me worse.
We somehow got protected, I
I'm
guess,
good.
from inside the cube. Protected us.
Yeah, the cube was the safety.
Are you okay, Virginia?
Oh, poor girl.
Did she pass out or is she fucking dead? Kelvin's all right.
Well, thank God Kelvin's all right.
Okay, so what? Okay, this is happening. Is that John Yu?
That is John Hughes.
Timmy.
Destroyed one of our helicopters.
Yeah.
Timmy got fucked by a helicopter.
Oh,
Hey,
this poor guy.
What did you see? What did you see?
That dude just
Oh,
got
he
bored.
put in the Belusi.
Okay. Final boss. I do not have a weapon out for some reason. So are you out of shotgun
Oh,
ammo
God.
or something?
No, I'm not.
Oh, we got
I had
twins.
to reload my pistol.
We got babies
Ow.
and Zach and Cody next to you. I'm trying to distract them.
Focus on Jian
That's what I'm trying to
Focus
do.
on Jian.
I may have to
If I
shoot a
have their
couple.
attention.
I have a baby on me, so I had to kill it real fast. Oh wait, hold on. We got. Okay, since you got him distracted, he's spawning those babies. All right,
He is.
John, come here, you bastard. No, stop walking away now, pussy. Come here.
Grenade.
I'm using sticky bombs, actually. Okay, I'm out of sticky bombs.
He's dead.
Oh, he's dead! Wow! Haha! Sticky bombs for the win!
I was chucking grenades at him too.
Alright.
That worked.
So 2 other helicopters came back. Timmy, are you alive? Also, where's your dad?
Dad,
There he is.
you made it. You're okay.
Policia.
Oh god, they're coming.
Oh, those are way too close.
They're getting closer. We have to leave.
Holy shit.
Quick, get in.
Get in.
What is that?
Well, we don't have all the pieces, though.
Don't go near it.
We both go near it. Where's my shotgun? Oh, retrieve your backpack. It's waiting on you.
I want to stay.
Wait, hold on. How do you choose to stay? Because it's... Okay, hold on. Just see what happens.
I
Let's
think we just wait.
No, just hit it. If we...
Don't! You're on your own. Good luck.
Oh! That was the choice to either stay or go. Hold on. Wait, I want to see the ending of going, though.
We should not have gone for our backpack.
I guess. You want to reload the save and do that again?
I mean, this is what I wanted.
I know, but I want to see the ending of us going home, too. Probably have to back up a bit.
Motherfucker, give me the option.
Is it really not giving you the option? Good lord.
It's not.
Okay. It's giving me the option back here. Did you soft lock the game?
I think I soft locked it. Yeah.
Alright, it's fine. I'll just show the cutscene when we are done playing. So let me quit here again, and then we'll just restart back at the save of us staying. Well, everyone...
Sounds good.
Alright. I'm going to film the outro here as well. Alright, everyone.
Go for it.
Alright, bruh. Third time's a charm.
Yes.
I'm gonna mute you first. I'm kidding. Alright, everyone. I hope you enjoyed us playing Sons of the Forest. We have officially beaten the game. I will show the ending where we leave the island after this outro. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this series. There'll probably be the occasional recording of us playing more of this game in the future. Most likely, though, because we still got that tower to build. Trunk Tower. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications to future uploads to this channel. And while you're at it, feel free to follow me on Twitter or X, whatever the hell you want to call it, at JasperVex, and follow my Twitch channel at JasperVexVT. So yeah, I will see you all in the next video. In fact, the next thing I'll probably record is Doom: The Dark Ages, because I'm really excited for that game. But until then, I will see you all next time. But as of right now, bye bye.
They're getting closer. We have to leave now. Get it. Yeah.
I need you to help me. It's getting worse. Look at me. Look at what I'm turning into. I need your help.
I've told you I can't help you.
And what about with this?